Fitness mirror. Looks like a mirror, works like your personal fitness studio. This smart fitness mirror blends seamlessly into your space, but behind the glass is a 22-inch HD touchscreen that streams guided workouts straight to your wall. Strength, HIIT, yoga, you name it. You'll see your trainer and yourself side by side to mirror form and posture. Comes with dumbbells, a barbell, and built-in storage, so everything stays sleek and tidy. Lint roller. Pet hair doesn't stand a chance. This compact lint roller is extra sticky, washable, and built to handle fur, crumbs, and random fuzz. No waste, no refills needed. Just rinse it under water, let it dry, and it's good as new. The ergonomic shape makes it comfy to hold, and it's small enough to toss in your bag or car. Clean clothes anytime, anywhere, without the mess. Mini shredder, tiny but tough. This handheld shredder gives you paper privacy on the go. Just insert a receipt, note, or document and twist. The manual rollers cross-cut the paper into unreadable strips. No batteries, no plugs, no noise. It's compact enough to stash in a drawer or bag, making it perfect for quick shredding at home, in class, or while traveling. A simple tool that gets the job done quietly and cleanly. Splatter cover. Say goodbye to messy microwave cleanups. This collapsible splatter cover keeps food from exploding all over while heating, thanks to its vented design that lets steam escape for even cooking. When you're done, it snaps magnetically to the microwave ceiling, so it's always within reach. Made from safe, BPA-free material, it handles heat without warping. Space-saving, practical, and simple. It's the microwave helper you'll use every day. Puck lights. Want to spotlight your favorite art, photos, or even your dartboard? These wireless LED puck lights make it easy. Just stick them on with the included tape or screws, aim the adjustable head, and control it all from the remote from brightness to timer settings. No cords, no drilling, just clean, focused light exactly where you want it. Battery powered and super simple to install. Accent lighting made effortless.